Imagine a world, right next door in the cosmic sense, an Earth-like planet, orbiting the very next star over. When astronomers discovered Proxima b in 2016, it was hailed as our closest cousin, a new hope nestled in its star's habitable zone, where liquid water, the cradle of life, could exist. But what if that dream is actually a nightmare? What if our closest exoplanet neighbor is really a cosmic death trap? We were promised a second Earth, but the truth about Proxima b is far more brutal than you've heard. When Proxima b was announced, it felt like science fiction becoming fact. Just 4 light-years away, it has a mass about 1.1 times that of Earth, pointing to a rocky world just like our own. Best of all, it orbited within the habitable zone. This is the so-called Goldilocks region. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right for liquid water to potentially pool on the surface. The planet gets about 70% of the energy that Earth gets from the sun, making the idea of oceans seem tantalizingly plausible. This wasn't just another blip, this one was on our doorstep. So close that projects like Breakthrough Starshot started seriously planning to send probes. For a moment, it seemed like we had found the perfect place to look for life, but that dream rested on one huge, flawed assumption: that Proxima b's star was anything like our gentle sun. It's not. The dream of a habitable Proxima b falls apart when you look at its star, Proxima Centauri. It isn't a stable, yellow dwarf like our sun. It's a red dwarf, smaller, cooler, and a whole lot more violent. Red dwarfs are famous for their bad tempers, and Proxima Centauri is a textbook example, prone to frequent and powerful stellar flares. Our sun has flares, but they're like firecrackers compared to Proxima Centauri's hydrogen bombs. At times, its star can become thousands of times brighter in mere seconds, unleashing a torrent of high-energy radiation. Now, imagine a planet orbiting this raging star at just 5% of the distance between Earth and the Sun. That's where Proxima b lives. It's 20 times closer to its star than we are, so it gets absolutely blasted by this radiation. As one astronomer put it, it's hard to imagine that life could emerge being subjected to radiation that frequently. This constant bombardment creates the biggest hurdle for life, holding on to an atmosphere. An atmosphere provides air, shields from radiation, and traps heat to keep water liquid. But Proxima Centauri's stellar rage is a relentless atmosphere shredder. The intense radiation is strong enough to literally boil the planet's atmosphere away into space. NASA models have painted a bleak picture. One study concluded this radiation could strip an Earth-like atmosphere 10,000 times faster than what happened. Without it, any water would have boiled away or frozen solid, as surface temperatures dropped to a permanent -40 degrees Celsius. There is one possible saving grace: a strong magnetic field. An Earth-like field could deflect the worst of the radiation. The problem? We have no idea if Proxima b has one. It's a theoretical shield against a very real threat. Even if an atmosphere miraculously survived, Proxima b faces another problem. It's likely tidally locked. Being so close to its star means the same side of the planet probably faces it at all times, just like our moon faces Earth. The consequences are extreme. One side is stuck in endless scorching daylight, while the other is frozen in perpetual darkness. Any hope for life would be in the Terminator zone, a narrow strip of permanent twilight between these two extremes. Here, temperatures might be gentle enough for liquid water, but even that depends on a thick atmosphere to move heat around, preventing the air from freezing on the night side and the oceans from boiling on the day side. And as we've seen, having that atmosphere is a massive long shot. Asking these massive cosmic questions is what pushes science forward. And if you're fascinated by the biggest questions in the universe, think about subscribing. We explore the real science behind the headlines every week. Hit that subscribe button and join us. So, is Proxima b habitable? Based on everything we know, the brutal truth is probably not. The dream was built on its location, but habitability is about more than being the right distance from a star. It's about having a stable star and a thick atmosphere, and Proxima b seems to fail on both counts. Its star has likely sterilized its surface and stripped its air, leaving a barren rock. But this isn't a story about failure, it's about learning. The puzzle of Proxima b taught us the habitable zone isn't a golden ticket and forced scientists to think more critically about what makes a planet alive. And our tools are getting better. The James Webb Space Telescope can now study our cosmic neighbor, looking for any hint of an atmosphere. Future observatories are being designed specifically to answer these questions. Proxima b might not be the second Earth we hoped for, but its discovery has kicked off a new chapter in the search for life, reminding us that the universe is more complex and violent than we often imagine. What do you think? Could life survive on a world like Proxima b? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.